the month of April, you could not doubt for one moment that people and young people, old people, indeed every segment of the South Carolina community were told that they were welcome through in the give and take of open and the rejection of the minority report, and we urge that the majority report be accepted.
In favor of the minority report, say aye. I'm not going to be looking at anyone in any aisle. A sufficient number having arisen, a roll call is ordered. The question is on agreeing on the minority report. A vote of aye is a vote in favor of the minority report.
Ohio. Chairman Mike, the canal zone vote is 1.825 votes yes. Okay. Kansas vote, 17 yes.
Passed 20 votes yes, 2 votes no.
Luge Federation representatives, they recommended this site on Genesee Mountain off Stapleton Drive because it is close to Denver, has power and water, and roads to the top and the bottom of the proposed route.
I think they are maybe against today, but tomorrow, when the press and the television and radio will do a good work, I think in few months they are not against. We have not feeling that the people are against in this part, and I think when you have troubles with people and they are against here to do something in these areas, so
Oh, well, I don't know, Bob. Gosh, I feel a little bit incompetent in the sense of lack of knowledge of the total football players on all the squads. I think this bothers me the most. An inability to rate players just on the basis of what we have and then to rate them against the top players. I just wish that we could scrimmage a lot of those teams down in Southern California so that you could get a comparison between the Staubachs and the Gabriels and the Ramseys and the Horns so that you'd feel a little more confident as you begin to assess what is necessary to win. But at the same time, I expect to win every football game.